Hi everyone, this is Shammy. Welcome to my channel, and today we are discussing what I would like to bring if I'm going on a one bag travel. Without further ado, let's dive in. So first thing first is my bag. My bag is a Decathlon Quecha 30-liter backpack, and this has a separate laptop unit. You can see my laptop in here, and it has a big compartment and it has a front pocket. I also have an emergency access, but I don't really use it for on a regular basis. Sometimes I only put my handkerchief or my towel if it's like wet and I'm not supposed to put it in the main compartment. So let's see what I have in this bag. The most important thing about a one bag travel is packing cube, because we have a lot of clothes, but we have limited amount of clothes, but we need to organize it carefully because it's just a 30-liter backpack, so it doesn't have much space. We need to use every single corner of the bag very wisely. So I have compression packing cube. I intentionally bought a red color, very vibrant color, so I can see even in the dark when my backpack is there and I don't have enough light. So what is a compression packing cube? Packing cube is something that you have a cube and you put your clothes in there or items in there, but it can compress the size, the air. So normally this packing cube is like this, and I have a ton of clothes, so you see the size. And when I am compressing it, so you have an inner zipper and I am compressing the cube, so it is removing all the air that has inside the cube. So this is what packing cube is, and it is an inevitable item in your bag, and everyone should have it. So what do I have in my packing cube? I have a t-shirt, I have a towel, I have a shorts, I have a black pant, flowy boot cut, I have a half sleeve t-shirt, I have a full sleeve shirt, I have a half sleeve t-shirt, I have a loungewear, I have a full sleeve t-shirt for colder climate, I have tights that I can wear separately when I'm in a colder climate and I need to sleep, so I can use it as my sleeping wear. At the same time, I have a jean that I'm gonna wear in my airport travel or flight travel, so I can use this tights under that pant as a layer, so I can combat pretty much very cold climate even with this. I have a jacket, and this is a waterproof jacket, so this can also combat really colder climate with my full sleeve. And I have another bodysuit in this packing cube, so 3-layer. I can tackle pretty much any kind of climate, but if it's like very cold, probably I will choose another jacket, which is a puffer jacket. But I don't travel to very cold destination. If it's winter, I'll pack it separately. I'm packing for summer outfit. So most of the time when I'm only taking one bag travel for my travel, I usually go to summer destination or a slightly colder climate, not very cold. So now my other packing cube. In this packing cube, I have my underwears, I have my socks, I have my bodysuit that I was talking about. This is the bodysuit, so I can tackle cooler climate. I can also use it as my top layer if I'm in a very warm climate and I want to just wear a tank top. I have a scarf. This is like a really big scarf that I can use it as my layer. I can use it as my bed sheet. I can use it as my cover when I'm traveling by train or flight or bus. Even if I'm staying in accommodation that I don't have enough clean sheet, I can use it as my bed sheet. I have bunch of socks. I have this is a layer for my ears or my head or my neck if it's a really cold climate, for just in case, or I'm on a bike in a colder climate that's going to be very windy, so I can tackle that kind of weather. I will be wearing a sneaker in my travel, and I have 2 more slippers. One is a slider, both are sliders, so these are 2 different colors. One is a brown, one is a white, so it will go pretty much with all the clothes that I will be carrying. And I carry my shoes in a shower cap, so it doesn't get dirty. Even if it is dirty, it does not destroy all the other essentials that I will have in my bag. I have a diagonal shape toiletries, So it opens up like this, and voila, I have so many things. I have a hair comb, I have hair ties, I have pimple care, I have a body lotion, I have a sunblock, I have a deodorant, I have a toner, I have a toothbrush, I have a sunblock, I have a sunstick, I have a peeling gel. This is like when you have traveling to a colder climate and you have a lot of dry skin, you can peel with this gel and you can get a pure clean skin within minutes. I have a face serum, I have my toothpaste, I have a lavender oil. This is essential for my sleep. When I have anxiety, it helps me to stay calm. I have a mouth spray just in case I'm unable to brush and I need some fresheners. I have some face mask, and if I need to take care of my skin, I can easily use with the orange juice. I can soak into it and I can use on my face as a mask. I have a perfume, I have pimple care, I have a very deep, very heavy moisturizer for my lip. This is a face moisturizer. Sometimes I'm in a hot climate and I'm unable to use my serum and doesn't have AC. So in that case, this moisturizer will help me to hydrate my skin. I have a eye drop. This is essential. I have some cotton pads for my toner. I have a filer for my nails. I have a nail cutter. I have a tongue cleaner. I have some cotton buds for my ear to clean, and I have a shampoo bar. This is a shampoo cum conditioner bar, and I don't have to deal with a lot of liquids if I'm traveling to a destination and I only have carry-on and I have a liquid limitation. In that case, this soap bar can really help me. I can also use this on my skin, so I can also use this on my face. And this is very gentle, this is very nice, and this is a herbal product and it really hydrates my skin. Now my tech bag. My tech bag is a very small bag because when I'm traveling one bag only, I try to minimize my tech items because I will be traveling to a lot of different kinds of destinations. That's why I'm taking a single backpack and I don't have enough items, so I try to minimize my essentials as much as possible. So let's see what do I have in this tiny bag. This opens quite well and I really like because of this, and I have a hard drive, I have a headphone, I have a hard drive cable and extension cord or adapter for my MacBook. I have a charger. This is for my coffee mixer, which I have in the backpack. I have my iPhone charger. I have my camera charger I'm shooting with right now. This is Osmo DJI. I have memory card reader. I have a pen drive. I have another adapter from USB-A to USB-C. So that's all I have in this tiny tech bag, and I have tried to minimize it as much as possible, as I said, because this was important to me. I have my thermal bottle. I always carry my thermal bottle with me wherever I travel, because when I travel to a colder destination, I can put some hot water, and when I'm traveling to a really hot destination, I can carry some cold water, and it stays just like that more than 24 hours. And I have a backpack in the bag. This is the lightest backpack I had. This is from American Tourister and this is really big. As you can see that this is a really big travel backpack that I have. See how big is that? This is a very low profile bag. So when I am in my destination and I use this as my day bag, this is really low profile and it has a front pocket. So I can put my smaller essentials in here and I can use my bigger essentials like my thermal bottle or my tripod and my umbrella in that bigger bag. Also, it has a belt for if you are traveling to a destination with your carry-on suitcase. You can slide this on top of the carry-on you are carrying. If I'm in the destination and I'm buying some stuff that I don't have enough room in my bag, So I can carry this bag as a front bag, and then I can have a bigger bag in my bag. So what else I have in this bag? I have there's a front pocket here. I have my MacBook charger. I have my MacBook in the laptop compartment. Mine is 16-inch, which is quite heavy. I have a tiny sleeper if there is no sleeper in my accommodation, so I can use this as my sleeper. And this is a very low profile, it doesn't take enough space in my bag. And I have an umbrella. This is a UV ray protected umbrella. This is an automatic umbrella I'm using for quite some time. This is one of my favorite gears when it comes to travel. Even in my daily life, I use this umbrella. This is a high quality umbrella. It was quite pricey. It was about like $15, and it is one of my most favorite items. I have my coffee mixer in the front pocket. This is something that I cannot travel without. I have a medicine pouch. I have all my daily medicines in here. I have my Kindle. This is an e-reader. This is also one of my top travel items. I made a video sometime back that my most favorite items when I travel. I'm going to link that video in the description box below. I have 4 coffee pouches. These are available pretty much anywhere in the world, and I don't carry enough when I'm traveling. I generally buy in my destination. I have a microfiber towel. This is for my face if I get tired or any kind of spill or anything like that. This item I can use as my bum bag or my crossbody bag when I'm travel, and this is the essentials that I have when I'm in a long flight. So I have my sunglass. My sunglass is a prescription glass, and this is a Polaroid glass. It is very important when you travel, and Polaroid glasses is something that I recommend to all the travelers, because when you are in a very sunny area, your bare eyes cannot see a lot of things, but your Polaroid glass can see a lot of things. So even if you don't have a prescription glass, don't worry, just buy a zero power Polaroid glass. I have another medicine pouch. These are my emergency medicines that I need sometimes, occasionally. Maybe I have migraine, I have some headache, I have some fever, so all the medicines are going to be in this box. I have a talcum powder in my bag because my skin is combination and it produces a lot of oil, so I need talcum powder to matte my skin. I have a mini wallet. This typically has all my cards and my travel lounge cards. I have a power bank. This is an iPhone compatible. I have my cable in this small pocket. I have my bigger wallet. This wallet also has my passport and some local cash, some international cash like dollars and pounds, and some cash that whichever country I'm traveling to, some local currency of that country. I can keep my boarding pass. This is a boarding pass that I recently traveled to, so I kept it as a proof that you can fit your boarding pass in this bag as well. I have a Vaseline because airlines are very dry, so in case of dry skin you can use this Vaseline as a protection layer. I have a hand lotion, so if my hands are very dry I can use it. When sometimes Vaseline are very sticky for hands, so I use lotion for my hand and Vaseline for my feet. I have a selfie stick. Whenever you are traveling, you need this selfie stick, and you can keep your selfie stick like this, put your phone, and it has a Bluetooth, and you can get your pictures just like this. You don't have to ask any other tourist or person to take your pictures, and you can take as many pictures as possible. I have a dental floss. This is very important for me when I travel. I have a nose inhaler. Sometimes the airlines are very cold and I get cold. I need this. I have my AirPod. This is not AirPod, this is AirBud. This is from Zebronics, and this is noise cancelling, and I really love this. I have a small bag. This can be used as my grocery items or anything like that. This is very small, but it can fit a lot of things, and it's very durable. This is something I have bought maybe 10 years ago, and I'm still using it, and it was only $5. I have a spoon plus fork. It's called spork, and a pen for my customs or my health declaration or my disembarkation form or embarkation form or immigration form. Of course, I'm not going to forget my mobile phone, which is gonna be in my back pocket, and I will also not forget my watches that I'll be wearing during my travel and my airport outfit that I'm willing to wear when I travel. So I am planning to wear a jeans and a full sleeve shirt, the one I'm wearing right now, and a white sneaker with a socks. So I can carry my heaviest shoe when I'm traveling and I don't have to put it in my bag. One more thing, that it's a small bag, 30-liter backpack. I don't have many things to survive. Just in case I'm traveling to a destination and I need something that I don't have with me, I'm willing to buy it. I'm willing to buy it and maybe donate some clothes that I am not willing to keep anymore to some poor person or a shelter home or a second-hand market. I'm willing to do any of this. So thank you for watching our video. See you soon.